Hi guys, in the day 40, I will share some problem, Python based problem, and I also provide solution for that problem. So I will use study material or concept that we have learned up to day 39. So don't miss this lecture series in which I will share important Python based problem and I also provide solution for that problem. So day 40, Python problems and their solution. Exercise number 1 with their solution. Exercise number 2 with their solution. Exercise number 3 with their solution. Exercise number 4 with their solution. And exercise number 5 with their solution. So different exercises, 5 exercises I will share with you and I also provide a solution for that problem. Each and every step and statement I will clear for you to clear your concept. So don't miss any lecture or any exercise because it is very important to know if you want to improve your Python programming skill.